Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negin and welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. We are solving 9th class Maths NCERT book chapter 10 Circle, and in this video we are going to solve exercise 10.5 question number 9th. So in question number 9th, a diagram is given to us. Two circles which are intersecting each other at B and C. PBQ is a straight line, ABD is a straight line, and we have to prove angle ACP is equal to P angle QCD. Okay, so I am giving the name angle this and this as a 3 and angle 4. So in the construction I have joined P and Q and P and A, and I have joined D and Q. So now see, P and A, it is a segment. So angle formed by this segment is angle 4 and angle 2. In the diagram it is very clear. So angle 4 will be equal to angle 2, angle formed by the same segment on a circle. Similarly, DQ, by the DQ two angles are formed, angle 3 and angle 1. Angle 3 and angle 1 by the same segment. So angle 3 will be equal to angle 1. And as it is given, ABD and PBQ, these two are straight lines and they are intersecting at point B. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angle. So hence angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 2 equal to angle 4, angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 1 equal to angle 3 by the property angle formed by the same segment, angle 1 equal to angle 2 by the vertically opposite angle. So from equation 1, 2 and 3 we can say angle 3 is equal to angle 4, angle ACP is equal to angle QCD. Now let's move to the question number 10. In question number 10, it is given that ABC is a triangle. In this question, diagram is not given. We have to draw the diagram by our own. So ABC is a triangle, and on the side AB, we are taking as the diameter and drawing as a circle. Okay, and same AC taking as a diameter, again drawing a circle. So now we have to prove the point of intersection these two circle is lying on its third side. We have to prove that. So first we are drawing the diagram ABC triangle, AB as the diameter and drawing one circle, AC as the diameter drawing another circle, and now we are taking the point of intersection as D. Okay, so we have to prove this point D is lying on BC. Okay, so first in the beginning we are saying this point D is not lying on the BC. We are taking it above. So बच्चे, join this line and B as D. A and D and B as C को हम जब B and D को join करेंगे तो यहाँ पे as BD is a diameter, so angle subtended by the diameter on the semicircle is 90 degree. Same concept for this side also. AC is the diameter and angle subtended by the diameter on the semicircle is again 90 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to 90 degree, angle subtended by diameter at semicircle 90 degree. So angle 1 90 degree, angle 2 90 degree, and if we will add these two angles it will form 180 degree. So linear pair property. So angle 1 plus angle 2, if they are forming the linear pair, but hence linear pair हमारा तभी फॉर्म होता है जब ये स्ट्रेट लाइन होती है. लेकिन यहाँ पे ये एक क्या कर रहा है, एंगल 1 और 2 का सम हमारा 180 डिग्री आ रहा है. इसका मतलब ये जो है BDC एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होनी चाहिए, और ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब ये D पॉइंट आपका कहाँ पे लाई करेगा, C पॉइंट पे लाई करेगा. तो जो हमारी स्टार्टिंग में जो एजम्पशन है कि D is not lying on BC, that is wrong. So D point is lying on the BC. तो इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से समझेंगे. इसमें करना कुछ नहीं है, सेम वैसे ही होता है, लेकिन जो एजम्पशन होती है, नॉट लाइंग, नॉट ट्रू, इस टाइप के जो कंसेप्ट होते हैं उसको थोड़ा सा हमें अच्छे से समझना होता है. बाकी ये सारी चीज़ें वही हैं जो मैंने आपको यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन की. साइड ए बी ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी एंड डायमीटर ऑफ सर्कल 1, ए सी ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, डायमीटर ऑफ सर्कल 2, and we are assuming D is not lying on the BC. So angle 1 90 degree, angle 2 90 degree. I explain why these are 90 degree. Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair property. और ये तभी possible है when this D point will be must lie on the BC. Hence their point of intersection will be lie on BC. So it is clear.